Have you ever wondered which Maserati cars stand out as the most reliable over the years? From luxury sedans to powerful sports cars, Maserati has a rich history of crafting vehicles that blend Italian craftsmanship with performance. Today, we delve into the top 10 most reliable Maserati cars that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Maserati Quattroporte. Kicking off our list is the Maserati Quattroporte, a symbol of Italian luxury and power. Since its inception in 1963, this sedan has epitomized elegance with its sleek design and potent performance. The latest iteration, introduced in 2013, boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a staggering 410 horsepower. Its opulent interior and advanced technology redefine the driving experience, making the Quattroporte a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Number 2. Maserati GranTurismo. Next up is the GranTurismo, a two-door coupe that exudes both sophistication and adrenaline. Launched in 2007, this masterpiece houses a 4.7-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 454 horsepower. Its seamless blend of luxury and performance ensures a thrilling ride every time, reaffirming Maserati's commitment to excellence. Number 3. Maserati Levante. Introducing the Levante, Maserati's venture into the realm of luxury SUVs. Since its debut in 2016, the Levante has captivated enthusiasts with its 3.0-liter V6 engine, generating 345 horsepower. With its Italian flair and formidable power, this SUV redefines versatility, offering a harmonious balance of performance and comfort for the modern adventurer. Number 4. Maserati Ghibli. Enter the Ghibli, a name synonymous with passion and performance. Born in 2013, this luxury sedan boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, packing a punch with 345 horsepower. Its striking design and exhilarating acceleration, from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.7 seconds, make it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Number 5. Maserati MC12. Prepare to be mesmerized by the MC12, a limited edition marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. Crafted between 2004 and 2005, only 50 lucky individuals had the privilege of owning this masterpiece. Powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine, churning out 620 horsepower, the MC12 embodies the essence of exclusivity and performance, cementing its status as a true collector's gem. Number 6. Maserati 3200 GT. Journey back to the late 90s with the 3200 GT, a timeless grand tourer that continues to captivate enthusiasts. Produced from 1998 to 2002, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower. Its elegant design and formidable performance ensure an unforgettable driving experience, making it a cherished icon in Maserati's illustrious history. Number 7. Maserati Spyder. Unleash your senses with the Spyder, a convertible masterpiece that epitomizes open-air exhilaration. Produced from 2001 to 2007, this two-seater sports car houses a 4.2-liter V8 engine, producing 390 horsepower. With its breathtaking acceleration and luxurious interior, the Spyder offers a symphony of performance and style that is bound to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Maserati Shamal. Dive into the past with the Shamal, a 90s icon that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Produced from 1990 to 1996, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 326 horsepower. Its timeless design and exhilarating performance make it a rare gem in Maserati's rich heritage, embodying the essence of Italian craftsmanship and passion. Number 9. Maserati Biturbo. Revive the spirit of the 80s with the Biturbo, a legendary sports car that continues to evoke nostalgia among aficionados. Produced from 1981 to 1994, this coupe offers a range of engines, including a potent 3.2-liter V6. Despite mixed reviews on reliability, the Biturbo's undeniable charm and performance ensure its place in Maserati's Hall of Fame. Number 10. Maserati 3500 GT. Last, but certainly not least, we have the 3500 GT, a classic masterpiece that embodies the essence of Maserati's golden era. Produced from 1957 to 1964, this coupe features a 3.5-liter inline-six engine delivering 220 horsepower. Renowned for its reliability and timeless design, the 3500 GT remains a symbol of Maserati's enduring legacy and commitment to excellence. These top 10 Maserati cars not only represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also serve as a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to performance, luxury, and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline-4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2. 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear-awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from US News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Are you on the hunt for a reliable ride with a touch of luxury? Then buckle up because we're diving into the world of BMW, uncovering the top 10 most dependable bimmers you can find. From iconic classics to modern marvels, we'll explore models that have stood the test of time, delivering performance and reliability in equal measure. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. F30 BMW 3 Series. Kicking off our list is the F30 BMW 3 Series, a car that's as good as it gets in the realm of reliability. While it may not be renowned for bulletproof dependability, landing the right spec can make all the difference. Opting for models like the 340i or 330i with newer and more reliable engines can help steer clear of potential issues. And for our diesel-loving friends across the pond, models like the 320d offer a solid choice, though not without their own quirks. Number 9. F07 BMW 5 Series GranTurismo. Next up, we have the F07 BMW 5 Series GranTurismo, a hidden gem in BMW's lineup. Despite its unconventional appearance, this cheat code car excels in practicality and comfort. With fewer units sold in the US, owning one guarantees turning heads, for better or for worse. And when it comes to specs, opting for the 6-cylinder variants like the 535i ensures a smoother ride. Number 8. G30 BMW 5 Series. Moving on, we have the G30 BMW 5 Series, a true testament to BMW's commitment to reliability. Boasting an impressive score on J.D. Power's reliability scale, this executive sedan is a top pick for the budget-conscious buyer. With turbocharged powertrains across the board, models like the 530i or 540i strike the perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Number 7. F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. Surprise, surprise! The F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe makes its mark as a reliable entry-level model. Packed with power and precision, this compact sedan offers a stress-free driving experience. Whether you opt for the 228i or M225i spec, you're in for a treat, with minimal maintenance hassles and a low probability of major repairs. Number 6. G001 BMW X3. When it comes to SUVs, the G001 BMW X3 reigns supreme in the realm of reliability. Sharing its DNA with its sedan siblings, this third-generation variant offers unmatched dependability and value for money. Whether you go for the S-Drive 30i or X-Drive 30i, you're guaranteed a smooth ride with minimal hiccups along the way. Number 5. F25 BMW X3. The second-generation BMW X3, particularly post-LCI variants, earns its spot as one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. With a spacious interior and a range of engine options, including the legendary N52 inline-six, the F25 X3 delivers a comfortable and dependable ride at an affordable price point. Number 4. E39 BMW 5 Series. Stepping back in time, we encounter the legendary E39 BMW 5 Series, revered for its timeless design and unparalleled reliability. Equipped with naturally aspirated straight-six engines, this classic model stands the test of time, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Number 3. E83 BMW X3. The first-generation E83 BMW X3 secures its place as a reliability powerhouse in BMW's lineup. With a reputation for bulletproof performance and a range of engine options, including the robust M54 unit, the E83 X3 remains a top choice for those seeking a dependable SUV. Number 2. E90 BMW 3 Series. The fifth-generation E90 BMW 3 Series strikes the perfect balance between performance and reliability. With a range of engine options, including the venerable N52 straight-six, this iconic model continues to impress with its dynamic capabilities and overall dependability. Number 1. E46 BMW 3 Series. Topping our list is the iconic E46 BMW 3 Series, a true testament to BMW's legacy of reliability and versatility. With a range of body styles and engine options, including the legendary M54-powered variants, the E46 remains a timeless classic beloved by enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, folks. From modern marvels to timeless classics, BMW continues to set the standard for reliability and excellence in the automotive world. Whether you're in the market for a practical sedan or a rugged SUV, these top 10 most reliable BMWs offer a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.